The number one thing when you have a disaster and really think of how you take care of it is to recognize that you have one. And when you go back in history and think of the images of late December 2019, we actually put out our first advisory on January 6th of 2020. So it is something that we had to really lean forward into. And when we talk about engagement, perseverance, really understanding what is coming your way, the threats, the challenges, and how you overcome them is really key. Early on in the pandemic, we wrote a statement on the death of a staff member so that we had that ready if we needed to go there. Thank goodness we didn't need that statement throughout the whole pandemic. But you have to plan ahead. You have to think of the well-being of your staff members. Engagement is most important. Caring for the caregiver is one of our mottos. And honestly, this is where the community gave a lot to us as well. When I think of all of the food donations that we had and cards that the community wrote to encourage our healthcare heroes that take care of the patients, that was just very heartwarming and amazing to see that outpouring as well. Everybody wants to help. Everybody wants to do the right thing. What we need to do is empower everybody to do so. It's a team approach that we think of our nurses and our physicians, but it involved absolutely everybody. For example, if our food service workers didn't come to work because they were scared of COVID-19, we couldn't feed our patients. In that case, we couldn't have patients. And being able to distill the facts down to every individual, addressing their fears, addressing their concerns. And it's not just fears about their own personal welfare. It's fears about, will we lose our jobs? Will we lose our livelihood? Will I be safe at work? Which is a very elemental component to having a safe work environment. All of these had to be addressed and had to really allow us to come together as a team, and that's what we did, and that's why we were successful. No one person did it. Everybody did it collectively.